Howdy ho, boys and girls. This is Mark Wade from Prudential Fox and Roach at CenterCityCondos.com. In this brief podcast, I'd like to say that low condo fees can kill resale value. A lot of, I go on a listing appointment. I go on listing appointments for a living. Come on. And every now and then a seller will say to me, well, our condo fees are the lowest condo fees this side of the Mississippi, and isn't that fabulous and wonderful? And my response is, no, that ain't so fabulous. It's my opinion that low condo fees can kill your resale value. Because think about it. If the condo fees that you're collecting are only paying for the water and the sewer and the 6 light bulbs in the common hallway, let's say you're in a low-rise kind of brownstone-y loft condo building, and your condo fees are only covering master insurance policy, water, sewer, and the 6 light bulbs in the hallway, and you're not putting any money away for repairs, upgrades, maintenance, and things like that, it's killing your value. And there's an example of that. I was in a condo in Old City last week, and the condo fees are super low. Well, we approached the condominium, and the front door is basically the front security door wouldn't shut all the way because the door was swollen and the lock was broken. And it's like, are you kidding me? I mean, who the hell? You think I'm going to tell my clients, oh yeah, buy this condo? Come on. And the hallways were not only filthy, light bulbs were out, there was one other thing there that it was just abysmal. It was awful. The hallways. It looked worse than my college apartment. I mean, and by the time we got, we walked into the front door, then we walked up 2 flights of stairs. Before we were even into that unit, I could see the look on my buyer's face. They're like, we're not buying this piece of crap. What are you, out of your effing mind? I mean, come on. The hallways look like shoot. They look like hell. The light bulbs are not, and it hasn't been swept in God knows how long. And why? Because the condo association, in their big brain, infinite wisdom, has decided to keep those condo fees low. It's ridiculous. Condos are like children, cars, and nice clothing. They all need maintenance. They need cleaning. They need upgrading. They need supervision. They need this, they need that, and the other thing in order to retain their strengths and value. So, just because, your condo fees are really, really low, well, that's ridiculous. There was another one over in Fittler Square. I went on a listing appointment, and the sellers are singing the gospel of their low condo fees. Well, yeah, because your building looks like hell. Clearly there's a lack of maintenance. Your roof deck has not been, there are boards that are warped, and the window sills all throughout the building are cracking and peeling and allowing water to get in. Not a good thing. Not a good thing at all. And my suggestion to any buyer, if you're looking to buy into that condo association, you sit your butt on the board and you vote to raise those condo fees so that you can start putting money back into that building. Because a lot of times buyers' determination or the impression is made even before they walk into the unit. Once they're walking through the building, it looks like a piece of crap. Well, it's going to turn buyers off. And if they do happen to love your unit, they're going to discount it because of the fact that the building has not been maintained. And why has the building not been maintained? Because there's no money to do so, because everybody's cheap and they want to keep their condo fees low. So this is Mark Wade bitching at you because condos need upkeep, maintenance, and even preventive maintenance in order to help retain value. So spend away, boys and girls. It's going to help you in the long run. Thank you very much. Questions, comments, or concerns, give me a call. Pick up that phone, start pushing the buttons. 215-521-1523. Thank you.